Hey guys! That was a really weak hey guys. Hey guys! That's the one. Don't cough on my hey guys. It's Ice Space here and today...
We're sick.
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Here's our coughing montage. Sniffle.
Blow nose.
We have skid on.
And slime bags.
Oh, we have blood bags.
Really?
What do we do with blind bags?
We whip them open.
We tear them open.
Tear them.
But it's
out.
not Tuesday.
Tuesday.
If we were tearing them open, isn't it
Oh.
Tuesday?
Who has a Tuesday
Maybe we can
anymore?
make a pile out of them and make it Monday.
Yeah.
But it's not Monday.
That was some nice
We can have
catching.
fun with it. Oh. Did I ever say I could do that? Oh. Yeah.
I got it.
That's not fun.
I got it.
Order, what is it?
What is what? What's that sound over there?
Oh, no. So it's just like...
Oh, it sounded has Minecraft on it.
Sound like a...
Something's alive on my couch.
Sound like a dinosaur.
My hand can't get close enough to my face. Perfect.
To start the coughing montage.
Ow.
We're gonna try to juggle.
Achoo, cough, cough. Achoo, cough, cough.
I don't want to be here for Halloween.
What?
Okay, well, guys.
Oh, you
What is
It is Wednesday. So let's...
What is it?
Yeah, let's cut some things open to find out what they are. Am I going first?
Sure.
I know you asked.
That's... Dang it! I'll just take the Carebears.
Okay, well, I'll go next. Because I know the little two want to open.
I'll open first. No, I would.
How about you draw at the same time? And then you'll play rock, paper, scissors to figure out who goes first.
Where's the basket?
Oh, there you go.
Am I in a basket?
Yeah.
Yes, you're in the basket.
And
You already touched something. Here, I'll pull out the thing you touched for you. You touched the minions.
I always do minion.
Hey, minions are a wonderful thing.
Yeah. I don't even like.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Not me.
What? Why
Go.
did you use a gun? So that's else you have to do rock, paper, scissors.
I think she cheated, but
I
okay.
do too. Okay.
We'll have Slash Elsa open and then you open, okay?
Okay, sweetie.
Okay.
Here, you might need help getting this first layer
No,
off,
I
because
know.
even I had trouble with
Yeah, I
that.
believe she did last time.
Okay, I'll give you a nice fair go at it, and then when you...
Oh,
seriously?
good job.
I mean, seriously.
Maybe. Might be one that like
I don't
splinters off.
my nails.
Seriously?
She's
She's making me look like a noob.
Have anyone opened this? Am
I don't think anyone has.
She's making me look like a noob.
She did it. No troubles. I set mine right here.
Oh.
Just in case I needed mine.
I want to see if these even work on past. These scissors are so bad they don't even work on felt. They don't seem to work on past.
Here, let me see.
There's another pair of skid seeds in that. In the pencil trash can.
Skitski.
Oh wow! Don't tell me it.
These skitskis were a failure to us. Yo, that actually made it in the basket.
It did.
I didn't think it would.
I watch Slash Elsa, she'll take your hair off.
I'll murder her if she does.
Okay. That's enough.
Let's see what.
Who hands people an open pair of scissors? She was
Slash
like,
Elsa.
I was just saying, I don't need these anymore.
That's somebody different.
Here, let me show them.
He's hiding his pipe.
Oh my. Oh my.
You guys can see that? Cover your faces. Cover your faces. You're not covering it, Slash also, or Pretty Pink. There, you know what, it's fine.
Alright, Pretty Pink. If you need skid skis, let us know.
Since he's showing off his underwear.
I guess the fig leaf would be his underwear.
We're locking him away in this orb.
Do we have a
B.
checklist?
Mm-mm.
Huh. Okay.
Trash power.
It's raining.
Is it a O or is it a B?
What? We do have a checklist!
No, just, I'm not flying him.
We have a checklist. This video was a Wednesday cough montage.
Cough, 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 sneeze.
Cough, 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 cough.
Cough, 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 sneeze.
Cough, cough,
Sneeze,
cough, cough.
sneeze.
You guys are not my nose
That's
now.
okay.
You just gotta go like.
Not like
He's
that.
right there.
Because you have a 1 out of 11 chance of getting him.
Oh, natural minion. And he is red. Whatever that means.
A 1 out of 11 types of dick in him.
Yeah, I guess that's...
I think that means whale.
Okay, help me out.
Why ya pow? See, I did that. Do you want skitskis? No.
Got...
I'll do a little skitski so you can get that out.
You get... Gallimimus?
I'll taste you. You like minions. I like dragons.
It's not a dragon. I'm disappointed in you for saying that.
Caesar, come up. I'll take you for a minion.
I believe you have a
Gallimimus.
Gallimimus.
Just a little
I
Carebear.
got a minus.
No, they demon with video.
He is a biped herbivore.
You did what
I
you
go
did
up
them. You
before
don't get the.
Because you went last. First.
Something!
Why are you timid?
Remember, because they opened it, but the stuff was still inside, so we just taped it closed.
What are the odds of us getting a fox? Because that's what we all want.
Be quiet, otherwise you're gonna jinx it!
I mean, I really hope there's a donut lover in here.
Delish donut.
Donut lover.
Delish donut. That's a Shopkins counterpart.
I hope it's a D.
Oh, you just threw her hair.
I don't think it was her hair.
I got the dad.
Yeah, I think they're both duplicates.
Okay, so this is... Hey, that's mine!
Hey, my outfit matches this her.
Awesome. I might have put the wrong hair on the wrong one. So.
We have roller derby right here in my hand. And we have... This is definitely a dupe. And we also have...
We have water.
Yeah, we have Gamer Girl and roller derby.
No, well, they're still cute.
Now I'm gonna set your Mixies over here if you don't mind.
Sasha, what are you doing?
Skitskis.
No, my skitskis.
They're my skitskis. This is how you open things.
Obviously.
No, we see how you open it. You can warm.
Yeah, you were the best one to hatch an egg because you take care of things, huh? You
Ow.
hug them and love them and don't cut them with scissors.
I'm not cutting them with
You
scissors.
cut yourself with scissors.
I definitely didn't need him for a date. Baby, don't let babies be in. Don't put babies in plastic bags.
Because they don't swim.
And they also don't live. Hey, Daniel, use your dash powers. They don't live with listen.
Trash powers.
They don't live with listen.
Trash powers.
They don't live.
Trash powers.
Don't live with listen.
Can you stop doing that?
You so adorable. I want to see. No, you don't little eyes. But I can't even see them to fall apart something. Hey,
Oh,
my pet list. It's mine. I got the dinosaur.
Oh, I got Tender Heart. Yeah, guys, I know my Care Bears. It's Tender Heart. Ew, it's sticky!
oh, he's sticky.
He'll give you a kiss, and then he'll stick to you afterwards.
Tender Heart, were you rolling in maple syrups?
Yes. I do not remember Tender Heart sounding like that.
I don't think that's what it sounds like. But, you know, it's been a while.
I watched Care Bears last night with the girls.
I didn't.
Yeah, but I did. Tender Heart didn't sound like that. Oh my goodness, I didn't know Care Bears' insides looked like water. No, wait, he's filled with maple syrup, that's why he's so sticky.
I went and gave it to Sissy. She spent all morning watching Dr. Squish.
No.
Wait, which sissy?
That one.
There's
Will
waddle.
protect you.
I already know what's in him. There's waddle. I don't want waddle.
We love you, Tender Heart. We'll protect you.
I really just want to feel.
No!
I don't have. Bend me some scissors, and I won't be able.
Oh, yeah, that's true. We do have the scissors.
There, you touched him. You touched him. You
No,
touched him.
no, he's right
Water
now.
it.
She's gonna rip it! She's ripped every single one of hers. Give it back.
Okay.
You felt
That's
him.
my dad.
Please like this video, subscribe to the Free Show, and in the comments let us know what's your favorite thing.
Eat him.
God.
No, baby, love you.
I love you, my little icicles. Bye! Tune in Friday to figure out who won
Yeah.
the giveaway.
My dear, most.
Give it
Wait,
back.
I gotta turn it off, baby.
How are you going to stop?